Happy Halloween! Welcome to Halloween Week here on the Coral Reef Talk channel, and today we're going to be talking about Dr. Tim's beneficial fish food. Now, Dr. Tim's beneficial fish food is a complete DIY solution to feeding your fish. It's 100% customizable, as there's a ton of different ingredients for you to try out, mix up, make your own recipes, and create something different for your fish to enjoy. Now, there's no fillers, there's no wheat, there's no gluten, no GMOs, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. So we're gonna mix up some beneficial fish food and see just how the fish enjoy it. Okay, welcome to Cooking with Babish. Just kidding, that's a different YouTube channel, but I'm so excited to make this. This is a sample kit that I got from Dr. Tim of Dr. Tim's beneficial fish food, so let's open it and see what's inside. Now, this packet right here makes 13 ounces of fish food, and with the regular kit, the mold that it comes with makes 90 cubes. Now, also included is a recipe card so that you can write down what ingredients you use so that you can make it the same way every single time. Now, this kit also comes with a free sample of the seaweed medley, and there's many more ingredients to choose from. You can visit drtimsaquatics.com for more information on all the other ingredients. Now, looking at this plastic tray here in the bag, it looks like about 24, I think that's 24 cubes that this one can make. Like I said before, the main kit makes 90, this one makes 24. So I found these silicone ice trays, and I thought, since it's Halloween, let's have some fun and make some skulls. Yeah, and not just skulls, let's make pumpkins too. Let's make our fish food Halloween themed. Now, as I was doing this, I quickly realized the size difference between the tray that came in my kit and the silicone trays that I had. Now, the Halloween molds are much larger. Let's try making one of each, see how they turn out, and then I'll just fill up the tray that came with the kit. Now, the kit also comes with an instruction sheet that has information on all the different ingredients. Now, it also has the 3 easy steps of putting this fish food together, but before I go any farther, I want to highlight this beautiful custom wooden cutting board made by my friend Jesse at Arlington Woodworks. Now, he had a couple reef tanks for a while, and he even sold his own phytoplankton, but now he makes custom wooden furniture, cheese plates, cutting boards, you name it. I'll leave a link in the description below, so if you want a custom cutting board, let him know that I sent you his way. Okay, so grab your mixing utensil that comes with your kit, and we're gonna mix in step number 1. So step number 1, it says get your dry ingredients, and we're gonna open up the packet here. And this is the main packet. This is the base mixture for your fish food. So we're just going to open this up, and then we're going to pour it in here. So once you pour in your dry mix, you can then add any of the other ingredients of Dr. Tim products to your mixture to customize and make your own fish food. So right here we're adding the seafood medley, and we're going to dump all that in. And then we're going to mix up our dry ingredients first. Number 2 is to add a half cup of boiling water, and I put it in a separate cup, and then I added my dry goods to it and then started mixing from there. Now, it says to mix for about 2 minutes, and then once you have a good mixture, you got rid of any clumps that are in your cup. Mix. You want to give it a good sniff it really good. Oh, just kidding, that's not good. It smells like fish food. Now mix it up, and you're ready to pour. So my battery died while I was filming this, but once you pour it, it takes about 2 to 4 hours to freeze. You just put it in your freezer. So this is 2 hours later. Let's take a look at the results. Alright, let's take a look in here. Whoa. What do you have? Abigail, what do you have? It's a treat for the fish. Ready? Put it up here, okay? Put it up here, put them up here. All right, look at that. So skull, there is the pumpkin. Can you go to the other one? And then here is our frozen pack. Oh, you wanna see? Here's our frozen pack right here, looking really nice. So we're gonna get into these, but first let's open up the pumpkin here. Should just pop right out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Whoop. Slippery. Look at that. Came out nice. You're trying to get the skeleton out? Look at this. Let's get him out. Look at that. Wow.
I want it. I want it. I want it.
Here, hold your hand out. Open this up. You can see some of them we didn't fill up all the way. That's okay. They pop out. Look at that. And then you're good to go to feed your fish. Okay, so I think we got a pretty good final product here. Take a look at that skull, Dr. Tim's Beneficial Fish Food skull for Halloween. We're gonna put him in some tank water so we can feed the fish and check out how they like the beneficial fish food. Let's do it. That's it for this episode of the Coral Reef Talk. If you're out trick-or-treating later tonight, be safe, have fun. It's always a great time to walk the neighborhoods, get some candy. I know she's gonna enjoy her candy, but if you're new to the Coral Reef Talk, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Check the bell icon to be notified every single time I make a new video. Happy Halloween. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Good job, high five. Yes. No, do it again, high five, yes. Go, good one. Look at your fishies. Look at them. They're swimming around in there. Are you gonna get lots of candy? Yeah?
I want lots of this.